Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a By Far mini Rachel bag review for you guys. I did like an unboxing last year, summer, and I've used it for about a year and I have another color to share with you guys. I think the style of bag and just like the brand in general is very 小众, very nice. Just an all-around great bag recommendation for you guys. If you guys are into like By Far, then just keep on watching because, you know, By Far has like great bags, they have great shoes, just like great leather products. I love it. So I have two. I have the black one as well as the white one, and this is the one that's a little bit older. This is the one that I got this year. I love both of them. I mean, clearly like they're both black and white, so it's like literally so easy to pair with anything. Very monochromatic, very cute. You know, by looking at it, it looks like it doesn't fit a lot, but I'll definitely show you guys what I can fit inside. But very, very easy to pair and just grab out and go, as I said. You know, you can wear them with like big t-shirts and like sneakers and like biker shorts. You can also wear it with like little dresses. Also looks great with this. But before I jump in, I just wanted to give today's sponsor a shout out. So today's sponsor is a brand called MommeSilk, M-O-M-M-E, Silk. They're basically a great company founded by women for women in 2014. And the company mainly focuses on creating really great quality silk products for our everyday lives, and just to add a little bit of spice and something extra luxurious at a great cost. They make a lot of great homeware and casual pieces for lounging around, you know, great for work from home and also great for lounging in bed at night, because look at this, guys. It's a silk eye mask. If you guys are into like eye masks for sleep, it definitely makes a big difference. Kind of have trouble falling asleep, so having a great silk, you know, eye mask helps to block out every little bit of light to help me have a good sleep and a fresher start in the morning. So the color that I chose is this really, really pretty pink color. An eye mask sometimes could be a little bit uncomfortable, but this silk is amazing, guys. Super luxurious and just like makes your sleep 100 times better. So the product ranges from 22 different products, and they curate a wide variety of items such as silk pillowcases, silk blouses, silk eye masks. They cut out the middleman, so it's from the factory directly to the consumer. They sell affordable, classic, and high quality pieces for women just to create that extra bit of glam in our everyday lives. And I definitely stand by the company's mission and vision as well, which is that all women deserve good things in life, which I support fully and wholeheartedly. So treat yourself with some great silk items. I have another item to share with you guys. So this is a silk blouse. It's a silk white blouse, which is great for like every day, great for working from home, great for going into the office as well, because the structure is this really nice kind of like bat wings, so it adds some sort of like detail to like a white blouse, and the quality of this feels great. I have just graduated from university and entered the workforce and have been trying to curate like a work or like corporate appropriate wardrobe, and I think this piece is great because I do work hybrid. I work remote and I also work, you know, on site as well. So this shirt is great because if you want to work from home, you want something comfortable but also looks great like through video cameras in meetings as well. So I'm super excited to style this piece, and I love the little, you know, dust bag that the eye mask comes in. It's great for traveling. It's also great for just keeping the eye mask clean, free of dust, to avoid like any bacteria that can, you know, clog your pores and eventually cause breakouts. MommeSilk is also a company that works to give back to the community as well, as they donate to the Southern California Goodwill Group and donate clothes for people in need. I really support the company, and I'll link everything down below in the description box for you guys to check out some great silk products. Now getting back to the bag review for the By Far mini Rachel bags, I just wanted to share these two because I just think they're the most like perfect bag to bring out, because for me, I don't like to lug around a lot of things. So these bags are perfect. They're really small. Some people might disagree with me and just think that they're way too small and just impractical, but they're cute, and also it fits most of my essentials. If you guys are interested, I will link a lot of links to these By Far bags in the description box below, to both Farfetch and Essence, because I did get both of them, like one from Farfetch and one from Essence. This black one, as you guys can see, is like 亮面的这个皮. It's like glossy finish, and it's got the 猪鼻子, like this chain link design. But yeah, it just looks like the Hermes like accessory detailing, which I think is really cute. And it just adds a cute little touch to the entire bag, which I really like because, you know, if the chains were gone, like it definitely would not be as cute. Like just picture it without the chains. So it adds a lot of detail. And also you guys know that I love silver. Like silver is my favorite. All of my accessories that I wear are silver. All of my piercings are silver. Like this one is Justine Planquette and it has some pink detailing, but it's like silver. It's so cute. And so this is perfect because all of their accessories, I'm pretty sure like by far is silver. So that just like really speaks to me, really stands out to me, and just fits the vibe, you know? So love that. If you guys are also advocates of silver, then definitely check out By Far. Hopefully they see this video and just like sponsor me. Yeah, guys, so this black one is just the shiny leather. Love it a lot. They have like, I'm pretty sure like a pink in the shiny leather too, like a hot pink people really like. So the one I did like a dedicated video last summer for is the white one, and it's also got the silver detailing. Really cute. This is like the, like, you know, like alligator embossed or crocodile embossed or something, but it's not like, obviously it's not real alligator. It's just embossed type of thing. And so yeah, I really like this one too. They have the like longer baguette versions. One color I know that's really popular for that one is like the kind of mahogany, burgundy, dark red, brown version, the long one, really popular. I know a lot of other bloggers and influencers and people also have like yellow, pink, blue, green versions of this one, but yeah, cream is also a really big one, like the creamy color one, but this one is like a stark white. But yeah, this one's like a stark white, and like I really like white, so yeah. I did get it dirty, like I dropped a noodle on it, but I just used some like leather care on the bag and it was fine. Yeah, overall these bags have held up great. You just can't go wrong. So let's just do like a what I can fit inside it type of thing. Like they're both the same dimension. So this is my phone and it like just, it fits perfectly in there, but usually I don't keep like my phone in my bag, so I'm gonna take it out. Let's just try with like a wallet. This is like a pretty big wallet, so yeah, it fits inside like that. And then let's just do like a little perfume. This is the Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt perfume. Just like fits like that. 2 lipsticks. Let's just do this MAC one in the shade Cockney. I don't know if this one can fit, but one of my favorite colors ever. This is the YSL like water stain in the shade 613. It's like one of my favorites. Guys, let me, okay, like it can't really fit, so I'm gonna take this out and just put in the MAC one. And let's just do like a mask as well, guys. I like to carry backup masks with me. I still wear masks. So yeah, guys, as you guys can see, everything just fits inside really well. Like I don't really need anything else. This is already pushing it, like a wallet, a mask, a lip product, a little mini perfume. And it's great. And yeah, I can, you know, zip it up perfectly as well, which is great. Alright guys, so that is just a quick little review on the By Far mini Rachel bags. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So as always, don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.